Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the 3D flowers without acrylic. I don't use acrylic because of the smell of the monomer, but I still wanted to be able to do 3D flowers. So that is what I'm going to be doing today for you guys. Right now, I am just going to be drawing the French tips, which are going to be the nails without the 3D flowers.
Got it stripping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes. Now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the head is so hydra or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The saddest shit is I'm bad as it beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside till 2005. Hold up, 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 hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside till 2005. Hold up, 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 hold up. I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame, we blow that like Coltrane, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk, at least I think so. Can't tell, cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing, whatever happens. Assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand, even if you don't understand, hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside till 2005. Hold up, 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 hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside till 2005. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Now I'm taking some rhinestone glue and I'm placing the rhinestones wherever I want the center of the flower to be.
Hold up, hold up.
Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong.
Now I am taking some solid extend gel, and when you're doing this, please make sure that you are using some type of gloves. I honestly would have preferred to have fitted gloves, but this is all I had. But make sure you are using some type of gloves because you do not want uncured gel to have direct contact with your skin. please make sure you are wearing gloves because you can get contact dermatitis from uncured gel touching your skin. So what I should have done is I should have used white solid extend gel so that I wouldn't have had to worry about the clear gel having the white color to it, but I didn't have any. So as you just seen, I tried to use some white gel polish, but that did not work. So I ended up taking some white dip powder, because I used to do dip nails, and that worked for me. Now if you don't have dip powder, then you can use white acrylic powder. You can use, if you have any type of pigment colors, you can use a white pigment. So what you do is you take the extend gel and you roll it into a thin line. Now depending on however big or small you want your petals to be, that's how thick or thin you're gonna have your extend gel. So then you're gonna cut away small sections or pieces of the extend gel and you're gonna roll those into balls, and then you're going to place the balls around the gem that you put on the nails, because that is the center. I don't know what this tool is called, but the white part that I'm going to be using is silicone. So I don't really know how to explain this, but basically what I did was I started by pressing down in the center of the ball and just formed a petal, something that looks like a petal, and you just basically keep messing with it until it comes out the way that you want it to look. These flowers were honestly easy to make, surprisingly. I thought it was going to be harder, but it wasn't, and I'm glad it wasn't. And I want to say, make sure to cure the flowers for 60 seconds.
If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Like that. If it was you, it won't be like that. But I love it when it's like that. Well, maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was you, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find a light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're it safe, so you might feel gonna stay. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Gotta hold the sheet, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. You leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna.
Right here, I'm just taking a liner brush to apply my rhinestone glue around my nails, since I'm doing gems around the whole, I guess you could say, like as a border, and I don't want to get the glue on around my cuticle area, so I'm just using a liner brush to make it easier.
Look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the time.
It's not going where I want it.
It's some me time.
Hope you do what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady?
I'm adding top coat, and this is a glossy top coat. But for the flowers, I decided that I didn't want those to be glossy. I wanted them to be matte, so I just added a matte top coat only on top of the flowers.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
it's some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
it's some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself.
This is how the nails turned out. I really like them. The only thing I would change is choosing a darker bow. But other than that, I feel like they look pretty good. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one.